Hey guys, good morning. Nevada Arcade Channel coming to you from a place we've been. This is the old truck stop that was, still is, at the Lida Junction on Highway 95. And we thought this morning we would stop and look and see if anything is different since the last time we were here. It's been over a year. Give you a little glimpse inside of what I don't know what this actually was. If this was the restaurant, the shop. I think the restaurant is what burned down here, where those abandoned tires are. Anyways, there's one key piece of I don't want to say evidence here that I'm going to try and locate again, because I've had a lot of questions on it from my amusement game and arcade and video game people. Now look at this. That's new. I see a lot of graffiti has been covered up and some has not. I think this might have been the living quarters, we figured. I have another video on this place, you guys. It's way back. These were the little motel rooms, and we've been in all those. So what I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to go and I'm going to try and find this item that I was not necessarily fascinated with, but I'm going to try and identify it. Now see over here where all this block is laying, I don't know if that's actually been toppled over since I was here last time or not. May have to look at my former video. Anyways, somebody, there's a little bit of new graffiti up here. Some out toward the street is been covered up, but I see some new graffiti. The one that says free candy, another one that says now open. But what I'm looking for, I think it was this way. And I'm hoping I find it. These little rooms, we've been through all these. There's no reason to resurrect a video that we've done. Let me just go over here. Looks like somebody might have been squatting here and trying to keep warm with those barrels. I hate to think they could burn this place down, but there was the sign. I often wonder who the block layer was. Now this item I'm looking for, and I really hope I find it after leading you up like this. If I don't find it, though, I'm going to tell you what it was, and you guys can find it on my other video. But we're still looking. Some handmade signs, I think, believe it or not. don't know if this was the septic system here or not. I'm going to keep the camera down a little bit because the sun is super bright. It's about 8 in the morning here and a brisk 27 degrees. I think this darn item I was looking for has been picked up. Alright, what I saw last time, guys, and a lot of my arcade people asked me, it was the side panel of a classic video game from the 70s. And I don't remember the game it was to. I don't know if it was an old gunfight or if it was I think it was a green in color game. So it may have been a baseball themed game. Anyways, it was a piece of plywood. It was laying on the floor or on the ground, and it was out that way. And I just wondered how it got there. It was only one side of this game, and I kind of wondered where the rest of it was, but I'm not going to go searching through those buildings to see if somebody's moved it. But anyways, look back on the other video, and if you find it and you can identify it, certainly leave a comment. And once again, second visit here. There's a more complete visit on a prior video under our exploration playlist. So guys, we're going to head further north. We're heading to Reno today, and watch for some more videos along this trip. Nevada Arcade, out.